ist ein ziemliches Thema offensichtlich geworden, das mit den Frauen. Und ich möchte nur einen Wunsch sagen. Und zwar habe ich den Wunsch, dass man in Sahaja Yoga als Frau nicht in eine bestimmte Richtung gedrängt wird. Es ist so, in unserer Gesellschaft, so wie sie ist, müssen Frauen schon so viele Auflagen erfüllen. Eine Frau sollte das, eine Frau sollte das, eine Frau sollte das. Und es ist halt so, ich bin noch nicht sehr lange in Sahaja Yoga und bin vielleicht auch empfindlich in diesem Punkt und ich höre halt dann raus, von wegen, also habe ich dann das Gefühl, die Frau müsste, ja, ich müsste jetzt so eine gute, was müsste ich denn jetzt schon wieder alles? Ja? Und es ist aber so, ich bin einfach, ich bin ich mit meinen Sehnsüchten, mit dem, was ich wissen will, auch mit dem, was ich bin. Und ich möchte mich einfach nicht mehr in irgendein Schema pressen lassen. Und das ist mein wirklicher Wunsch an Sahaja Yoga, das sollte doch irgendwo uns auch Freiraum geben.
Thank you very much. I'd just like to say something. When Shri Mataji explained to me the relationship between man and woman, we respect the fact that you want to be yourself. I think Sahaja Yoga is about becoming yourself. It's not about becoming something which is a stereotype. We all agree on that. But when I understood the relationship between man and woman, Shri Mataji asked me to look at the bulb. You see the bulb over there? Okay, so the god is the bulb, and the goddess is electricity. Now, which one is more important? The bulb or the electricity? Without the electricity, the bulb has no meaning. But without the bulb, the electricity cannot show. So, it helped me to understand. And if a Lakshmi, that is a married woman in Sahaj, is, okay, then we say Philip Zeiss is the bulb, but Hosanna is the electricity. So who should we thank? Whenever Philip does something, or I should say whenever Grégoire does something which has vibration, maybe 3/4 of the credit should go to his wife. Or, you see, but if the electricity say, hey, I am the power, I don't need the bulb, doesn't work either. So I think it's this new sort of understanding that there is a complete equality between men and women in Sahaj, but the roles are a bit different. We are the sort of, we look like we are in charge, but the command post is behind, you see. Something like that. So I think that the whole relationship between men and women in Sahaj does change, because the complementarity is discovered.
In this way, I just want to share with you what I experienced when I got married. There was the Ragi ceremony in Ganapati Pule, and Shri Mataji spoke to us women very, very strongly. And she said to us, if you don't want to marry now, please say no. I don't want you to make a man unhappy. Your only job is to nourish your husband with your love. If your husband never argue with your husband, if your husband does something wrong, just give a bantam, because all the deities and the ganas are helping you. And in the afternoon, I really experienced, we had to meet each couple. Everybody was here except my future husband. And I got asked me, Christine, where is your husband? And I look at her and I say, I don't know, Shri Mataji. And I got completely caught up on the left side, saying like he's like the other man before Sajja Yoga, they left me on the last moment, and blah 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 blah. And I said, don't meditate, meditate. I tried, but all thoughts came. A second time, Shri Mataji asked me, Christine, where is your husband? And again, I look at her and I say, I don't know, Shri Mataji. And at this time, I went completely on the right side. And I said, why is he not here? He should be here at 5 o'clock. Everybody knows. Why is he not here? Blah, 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 blah. And I couldn't stop all this. And I said, but try to meditate. But I couldn't. The thoughts came. And the third time, the voice of Shri Mataji. I look at her, desperate, and I say, I don't know, Shri Mataji. And she just clapped on her lap, and she was laughing, and she said, look at her, she even doesn't know who is her husband. Because she didn't ask me, where is your husband, but who is your husband? And in my thoughts, I was answering, where is your husband? And at this moment, I just remembered what she said in the morning, and she said, just give a bandhan. So I just gave the bandhan and said, Shri Mataji, you know where he is, I don't know. I opened my eyes and he was standing in front of me. And Shri Mataji looked at me and she said, you see, it's working.